my favorite input device is a skateboard. It's small and slimmer. It's made of plastic. It's light and easy carry and easy to carry. It's connects to my laptop by Bluetooth. I use it to do calls and chat with fan. Um, mm, I do not need Skype. Sometimes the connection is not stable. I like it because it's it's easy to use and useful.